Hey guys, this is your boy Usodek256. So in this video, I'm going to introduce for you, a new website which makes money online. So what you're going to do, you just need a small sum of capital so that you can activate your account and you start earning money online. It's true. You can earn money online just by doing some simple tasks and you get paid. So and you can withdraw the money direct to your mobile money account. So what you need, you're gonna check the link in this video description, and you register. After registering, or if you're interested, you can comment and I teach you how to make it. So I need to start make money online. It is true, and it's real. The business can pay you a lot of money just by doing some simple tasks and you get paid. So if you are interested, just comment in the comment section. I'm gonna help you. You come and teach you free of charge how to make money online, and you also start earning daily. 10 to 50k daily, and you start earning money online. So just see comment, and don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. That's it.